Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to bookmark a tab in Google Chrome on your PC, especially with the new updates that have rolled out. Bookmarking is a fantastic way to save your favorite websites for easy access later, so let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from the taskbar. Once it's open, navigate to the tab you want to bookmark. This could be any website you frequently visit or one that you want to save for later. Now that you're on the desired web page, look to the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, locate and click on Bookmarks and Lists. This will expand another set of options for you. Here, you'll want to select Bookmarks this tab. This option allows you to save the current tab as a bookmark. After clicking that, a dialog box will pop up where you can make any changes if you wish. For instance, you can edit the name of the bookmark or choose a specific folder where you want it saved. If you're happy with everything as is, simply hit the Done button, and there you have it. You've successfully bookmarked a tab in Google Chrome using the latest update. This process not only helps keep your favorite sites organized, but also makes returning to them much quicker and easier. Remember, bookmarking is a powerful tool for enhancing your browsing experience. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that all your important websites are just a click away. Thank you for joining me today, and happy browsing.